Good morning and welcome to MD Sciences, a hub of academic knowledge. And today in our studies we have bioenergetics and biochemical thermodynamics. So sit tight as we look at the necessary things we need to know to enhance our studies. Now, bioenergetics. This is the study of energy changes accompanied biochemical reactions. The study of energy changes accompanied by chemical reactions. You know, when there is a reaction, there are changes in the energy system. Changes in energy system from one form of energy to another. So, by the course of this study, we try to know those energy changes, transference of energy from one form to another. We try to know the energy changes that occur in biochemical reactions. It's also the study of how cells transform, often by producing, storing, and consuming ATP. You know, in the body cells, or in the cells of human organisms, cells transform. How they change. And let's say the body cells, how they transform from cells, normal cells, to tissues, to organs, and to systems. So, in the study of bioenergetics, we study how cell transforms by producing ATP, by producing energy, ATP, a form of energy, adenosine triphosphate, by producing ATP, storing ATP, and consuming what? ATP. So, the study of how the use of ATP brings about production, storage, and consumption in human cells is what we've come to study in bioenergetics. And these reactions is categorized into hexagonic and endagonic. Hexagonic and endagonic. This hexagonic is energy releasing. A cell that undergoes, okay, if the reaction is hexagonic, it means that it releases what? Energy. Endagonic is energy consuming. It means that in the endagonic reactions, there are inputs of energy. It consumes energy. Now this is a step. This is free energy. You can see the step. Endagonic consumes energy, heat. Hexagonic. Now look at the summary. A plus C, you give B plus D plus heat. And this is chemical energy. Now, from here, this will lead us to the study of, for us to know the laws of thermodynamics, the three laws of thermodynamics, the first law, the second law, and the third law. So, mostly in our exam questions, we can be asked to write on these laws. So, we must try to know them and try to know the applications. first law. Alright, so like I told us that the study of bioenergetics will lead us to the study of the laws of thermodynamics. Now, in biochemistry, basically at this stage, we have three laws of thermodynamics that we'll be looking at. So like we all know in our secondary schools, and the first law of thermodynamics is that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. That is true. Or a more professional way of defining and explaining first law of thermodynamics is that the total energy of a system, including its surroundings, remains constant, but it can move from one form to another. It can move from one form to another, meaning that it can not be created or what, or destroyed. So when you are asked to write on it, it is preferable to give them this definition. It is preferable to give them what, this definition. Now the second law of thermodynamics is that the total entropy of a system must increase if the process is to occur spontaneously. Now what is entropy? Entropy is the degree of disorder, during chemical reactions. So if the entropy of a system must increase, it means that the process of the biochemical reaction is to occur what? Spontaneously. It is to occur spontaneously. And what do we mean by occurring spontaneously? It is to happen without any apparatus or external cause. It is to happen without any apparatus or external cause. Now the third law of thermodynamics, the entropy of a system approaches a constant value as the temperature approaches zero. As the temperature approaches what? Zero. So for the entropy of a system to approach a constant value means that the temperature must approach what? Zero. 0 Kelvin. 0 what? Kelvin. So I want you to take note of these laws of thermodynamics. Know them by heart. Know them yourself. And know how to write them. Know how to memorize them. Because my act upon to explain it during your exams. So alright, thank you. I want you to like, share, and drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much.